So LS3 is installed in the Nova. So we have here a K&N filter, and it covers that whole area on the side. I didn't like the cone look to the filter, so I searched and found this filter, and it happened to fit exactly in the space that I wanted it to fit. So it enables me to have a straight shot intake pipe. There's my MAF sensor, and usually the MAF sensor should be in a straight line, not in any bends, so we're good there. I am using the charcoal canister, so you can see there peeking under the filter, so that worked out great. So everything that I had in the Nova prior to this LS3 swap is still here. So the Hydro Boost still there, the air conditioning system is still in the same spot. The alternator is now on this side, so I ran wiring to accommodate that, and then there's a wire that actually goes under the engine and to my battery location. There's my catch can, and that's for the valley cover, so you see the connections there, and so the lines are clamped there. You can see the rubber hose, and I made a bracket so that I could attach it here conveniently, so I can change it out. I've already primed the system, so we have some fuel pressure. So and what's good is it holds the pressure, so I'm happy about that. And it's been holding now for about half hour, so I'm happy with that. So I got some headers, and those are ceramic coated. I'll show you the other side, the other headers. So that came out good. A new Borgeson power steering box. So I had to get special headers that would clear that. So I chose these Speed Engineering because they go, the number 3 runner actually completely bypasses that whole area by going on top. So yeah, it worked out great, and so that's why I had this headers ceramic coated with jet coat. So the firewall was polished, as you can see. The engine was painted the same color as the car with the same base coat, clear coat. So the block was painted, you can see there. The heads were painted satin black, and the valve covers along with the intake manifold cover was painted red. The dipstick was painted red. So that worked out really well because I have a lot of parts painted red. Original to the Nova when I had the 454. So this looks really sweet. It fills the engine bay nicely. I really am happy about about that, how good it looks in there. So everything is good. So we have here the fan. You can see I have plenty of space in front of the engine using this cooling components fans. So this one's worked out very well. Champion radiator. So it does have the steam line, you can see there, and it goes under the intake manifold to the location where it should go. So here we go. We're going to start her up and hope everything goes well. So let's start her up. Let me see. I'm going to put the phone right here. See if it actually stay. I don't know if it's going to stay. So we're going to see if it'll stay. Let's start her up. Right up. Beautiful. I'm going to let it run for a few seconds and then check the fluids. But it's going good. It's actually started. So now let me check the fluids. So I'm gonna do my checks, but it started right up, and I'm very happy.